Where ambition meets altitude, a new aviation ecosystem takes flight. Welcome to CIAL Aero Park, Phase 1, a 36-acre integrated aviation zone by Cochin International Airport Limited, envisioned as a long-term initiative to build a comprehensive aviation ecosystem for India's future.
CIAL is entering a decisive new phase of growth. Envisioned as the center of excellence in aviation maintenance, training and technical support, the Aero Park marks the first strategic phase of our non-aeronautical expansion, to be followed by CIAL IT Park and CIAL Aero City.
Conceived as a center of excellence for aviation maintenance, training and technical support services, CIAL Aero Park brings together infrastructure already created, corporate offices, aviation training institutes, aircraft maintenance organizations, aircraft long-term preservation areas, aircraft component shops, aircraft tooling, tire and equipment storage facilities, technical support facilities, and hangar and MRO capability, while adding new projects under commissioning and construction, strengthening the airport's non-aeronautical ecosystem.
With a fresh investment of Rs 101 crore, we are building a complete aviation ecosystem. The park now features the state-of-the-art CISL Business Center, a centralized technical services wing, and India's largest breathing apparatus training gallery.
6 key projects form the operational foundation of Aero Park Phase 1. First, Kerala's first dedicated aviation business center, the CIASL Business Center. Spread across 40,000 square feet of premium, tech-enabled workspace, it is designed to host 30 to 40 aviation-linked companies and over 400 professionals and freelancers. The center includes private office cabins, co-working spaces, boardrooms, seminar halls, podcast studios, a multi-cuisine restaurant, and corporate event and training halls, strategically located just opposite the international terminal within the Aero Park. Second, the modernized technical services facility, which enhances airport reliability by centralizing airside equipment planning, procurement, deployment, and in-house maintenance, supporting safe, efficient, and continuous operations. Third, the Advanced Breathing Apparatus Training Gallery, designed to train fire and rescue teams in confined space, low visibility environments, building endurance, coordination, and confidence for critical moments, and strengthening emergency preparedness. Alongside these commissioned projects, Phase 1 now moves into its next stage. 3 major facilities will be launched soon.
We are also rapidly expanding with a third MRO hangar, a pressure-fed firefighting simulator, and a pioneering underwater rescue training facility, the first of its kind in an Indian airport.
A new 40 crore rupee hangar designed to support maintenance of narrow-body aircraft, business jets, and helicopters, expected to be the largest single-span narrow-body hangar in South India. The pressure-fed aircraft firefighting simulator, delivering realistic, repeatable live-fire training modeled on Airbus A320 dimensions. And the underwater rescue training facility, established at a cost of 3 crore rupees, providing surface and deep water rescue training, including scuba-assisted operations.
Combining global standard infrastructure with seamless connectivity, these initiatives will create nearly 1,000 direct jobs and thousands of indirect opportunities.
Together, these commissioned and upcoming projects form Phase 1 of a much larger aviation ecosystem, positioning Kochi as a regional hub for maintenance, training, and aviation support services.
I am proud to announce that on February 9th, our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan sir, will dedicate CIAL Aero Park to the state. Join us as we accelerate Kochi's journey towards becoming a global aviation hub.
CIAL Aero Park, Phase 1.